Top of the afternoon, my viewers and subscribers. World Cup active, don't. I want to leave in the comment section. Which country are you guys represented for? Which country no feel like I win the World Cup? Leave it in the comment section. Now, my people, we are going to talk about a young man who lose him 3 points in a confrontation in Massachusetts, United States of America, at a restaurant. He was in an altercation with another gentleman, my people, and he was shot. And he did not make it, my people. Jaja, in self-defense. That is what they are saying, my viewers and subscribers. Something sad. Oh my gosh, my people. Remember, you know, a Sunday Father's Day, my viewers and subscribers, you know. Sunday Father's Day. And I brother lose him 3 points. R.I.P. to this youth here. You see me? That is what the news saying. They are saying that it's self-defense and him take him 3 points like that, my viewers and subs. So I'm going to read the article and then we'll discuss it. So go with me now, people. A Jamaican man has been identified as the victim in a fatal shooting at a restaurant in Dennis, Massachusetts, United States of America. He has been identified as Kareem Harak, 35-year-old of Ennis, was shot and killed during an altercation inside Moonfish Restaurant and Tavern shortly after midnight on Saturday. Police arrested 26-year-old Nicholas D. Campbell, who has been charged with murder and discharge a firearm with 500 feet off a building. He pleaded not guilty in court on Monday and was ordered held without bail pending further proceeding. The viewers and subscribers, wanna hear that? Witness told police that the two men were previously friends but had experienced conflict in the past. Authorities continue to investigate the circumstances surrounding the shooting. I swear, my viewers and subscribers, wanna hear about the term what we call in Jamaica, friend turn enemy. So my viewers, it seems as if them two men was good friend as the news say, and sitting spiral. A good woman, could have be business, could have be anything at all, my viewers and my subscribers. And in Virgin decides, you know what? Enough is enough for me to take it out. This is very, very gruesome and shaking in. If you know, say, yo, them things happen in the world, my people, all the youth, them just now want meds. Them now want no serious meditation and rest, yo, and the right way this. You see me? Now, him now, gone to prison now. Gonna spend some quality time in a prison right about now. All because of foolishness. Youths and youths, I don't want them to know. No friend of there again, you know. No friend of there, sir, again, rude boy. Stay by yourself, my general. It better off. Can you see it now? The G drop out. Father's Day. Come Sunday now. The man picking them, if him having any. Them now have nothing to say to daddy. Daddy gone. Just like that. All because of what? Daddy have a friend where him and a friend there in a things and a kind of situation. But if daddy never had the other friend here, it wouldn't be like this. So I have to say, R.I.P. my general. It's surprised if it's something like this happen. But at the end of the day still, not on a new about friends and friends. You can't trust friend. Friend are the one where you know your secret. And them are the one where come hurt you. Bad man, they done tell the history already. You see me? That's why you see them get rid of Bob Marley. You're not joking at my people. It's sad for see what go on in the world of friend and friend just always in a conflict. Most cases when you say war go on people, a friend and friend who grow together, you know, bad mind each other, you know, and get corrupt and evil, you know, my viewers. Now, the people, we're gonna move on. We're gonna talk about a teen who was gunned down in Spanish Town. I'm telling you from other day, you know, people. Spanish Town now run right, you know. Yeah, man, March, when I saw them coming to them now run right. Gunman turned a quiet Saturday night into a scene of chaos when they opened fire on an 18-year-old construction worker sitting at a shop in Spanish Town, unaliving him and injured another man. You see me? So the people, them, don't have Spanish right about no upset about this. Them vex because them can't believe say them have some quiet peace and then have a sudden now just be a gunshot. You see me? Now the youth a drop out like that. I swear. Young 18-year-old youth lose him 3 points, taking away just like that. I always said youth them saying, yo, be careful of what you do in a youth. Because you see things and time change now, you know. No man nah pick no man and talk about no big man nah pick no young boy and say, yo, me nah hurt him, you know. If you're involved in a sitting, the man them a come for you. And a joke in that. The man them a come for you, come put in a coffin. Yeah. A serious thing right about now, my viewers and subscribers. I mean, ask that you them say, yo, this is not the right way to move. And the right way is to move. There's other means to get things done. You see me? You can't organize a meeting with your brethren and say, yo, my brother, you know, me have differences and things, but we need to put it aside. But my people, them things not happen, you know. Them situations not them things not happen. Man have sitting and come for you, come get rid of you. Because what? Man ignorant. Man, not time to think. You see me? The only time a man I think is when I think to get rid of you. Simple as that. So youths and youths, we not stop telling you know. When you not live right, I want to keep on getting yourself in a problem. And problem end up in a bar behind, should I say, getting yourself in a problem. When I end up behind the bars, them are in a body bag. So I don't talk to you already. We are going to move on. We are going to talk about the police officer here. We drop out my viewers and subscribers. The man drop out sudden. You hear me say? This man a drop out sudden, some viewers and subscribers. And a joke thing. Matter of fact, my viewers are 2 police officers drop out over the weekend. I swear. See 2 of them on the screen, people. 2 of them drop out just like that. So you know, say the JC if I'm on 2 love one. I swear. Youths and youths. When you have depression in a man, make sure you seek help, you know. Seek help all the while. Because you see that police officer, you have viewers and subscribers. That man, yeah, take him 3 points, just like that. Take him 3 points. Because what? He have all kind of problem deal with my people. And this police officer is attached to the Maroon Town police station in St. James. The man knows him thing. And smash out him brain just like that. And call it a day. Done with the life right about now, my people. I swear. So two members of the Jamaica Constable Force lost their life while 3 others were left nursing injuries following separate incidents across the island over the weekend. The incident, which occurred in different parishes, have cast a pall over the force investigation. A pall over the force as investigation continues. You see me? Yeah, my people, and I joked in this one. The police them a drop one by one now. So what they want police officer crash, and now the brother take him 3 points. Just like that. Man tired of life right about now. Man on the time for, you know me I say? But youths and youths, and the right way this. If you have no problem, seek help. What me say for do? Seek help. Or else not getting yourself in some serious problem. Now we gotta talk about Camilla Paul. There's an article put out there by the Gleaner, you know. Where it said that Camilla Paul death highlights need to confront domestic violence, says Child Protection Agency. The Child Protection Agency and Family Service Agency urging Jamaican to confront domestic violence and do more to protect children following the death of 13-year-old Excelsior High School student Camilla Paul. In a statement on Friday, the agency described Camilla's death as heartbreaking and deeply troubled, saying the tragedy should serve as a nation wake-up call on the impact of domestic violence on children and families. Yeah, man, I joke to these people. This should be a wake-up call right about now, because we don't see how going on, we don't see how the youths them gone, you know. We don't see how the man them decide, say, you know what, me not take no chat, you know, about this me I deal with. And in any cases and thing, we can have a bad man at any home right about now, my people, and then the kids them that are there, they are not safe. Now we're going to move on, we're going to talk about the next story, my people, where this man, you can see on your screen right about now, people. This man lose him 3 points at the Corner Regional Hospital all because of negligence, my people. Family demands answer as man dies waiting for bed at Kana Regional Hospital. You see me? A grieving family is demanding answers and the release of a post-mortem report following the death of their relative, 62-year-old Michael Nita, at Kana Regional Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James, on May 25th. Nita, a tour bus operator from Tucker Irwin in St. James, was reportedly sitting on a chair in the hospital waiting area from May the 24th when he went there complaining about abdominal pains up to his death the following day. You see me? My viewers, that's sad. Yeah man, that's sad man. I remember this now people. Most hospitals in Jamaica anyway free, you know. You always have some situation where them short up bed and them short up machine and different equipment, my people. Yeah man, always short of something. Sitting ever seem short in them hospital, them people. And a joke thing, a real things, man. A real thing me I tell you some people. I don't know what happened to them Jamaican hospital, yeah. I mean think so the government do enough to make sure say the health system is well protected and secure. You get me I say? I swear, now the family member them now play. Obviously means them I get a lawyer involved in this and try to sue the hospital and things. So, you know, RIP to the brother who's in 3 points. You see me I say? Now we're gonna move on, we're gonna talk about the last story right about now people. As you can see that man up on the screen right now, it's reported that this man is a tourist from USA, you see me? But he's currently living in St. Andrew, has been missing for a couple of days now. So 70-year-old Dennis Lamante, a United States citizen who reside in Golden Springs, Stony Hill, St. Andrew, has been reported missing. The police say Lamante is of light complexion, medium build, and is approximately 168 centimeters, 5 feet, 6 inches tall. Reports from the Stony Hill police are that Lamante was last seen at his home on Sunday, June the 7th, at about 6 p.m. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. He has not been heard from since, the police said in a statement on Sunday. Anyone with information regarding the whereabouts of Dennis Samant is being asked to contact the Stony Hill police station at 876-942-2223. The police emergency number 119 are reported to the nearest police station. So let's hope so them find Lamant, you know me I say, so him can go home safety in family and all them things. We don't want nobody ever see it's a threat and I want them love and alright because we're tired for years the people that drop out, boy, yeah. You know them way the people. So I could just keep my fingers crossed so they may find him and things may go back to normal with them family members. There's me and 7 people. So come to the end of the news now guys. Remember now, please like and share. Remember to subscribe to the channel. So I'm gonna drop new videos, only get them first. So just stay tuned. Remember, like, very, very important. So just like the video so the video can push out to YouTube so more people can get to hear what I'm going on. Yes, so you see me? So just hit the like button right away. Go and go like it up, man. Like it up and hype it up, my people. Stay tuned. You know the whole thing go. You see me? Yeah man, them can't stop you. Cause you see once you have God in your heart, them can't stop you. And that is exactly what I go on. My people, I'm out.